Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this EcoBasic Ultrasonic Retainer Jewelry Cleaner. This thing is amazing. Take a look at the small form factor. You simply plug it in and you can put any of your appliances inside here for a nice deep clean. It's got a first setting that has 300 seconds, so 5 minutes. It has UV to clean it out. It also uses the ultrasonic, of course. You can also go ahead and up that to 10 minutes if you like. You can also have 10 minutes without the UV or 10 minutes with only UV. And it has a nice countdown timer right here to let you know how far until it is done. The nice thing is when you open it up, the UV turns off so it won't shine into your eyes at all. It comes with this nice little filter right here, so when you're done you can go ahead and pour out the liquid, and this thing will ensure that your appliances or whatever small object you have stay inside here and don't go down the drain. It also comes with tweezers to easily remove items if you so wish. I have some retainers to try them on in a second, but you can also go ahead and stick your toothbrush heads inside here like so. There's 2 slots right there, and you can go ahead and clean those off. So even if the items don't fit completely inside, you can go ahead and clean those off as well. Let's go ahead and see this thing in action. Alrighty, here it is plugged in. I got the water filled up to about the max line. I'm gonna go ahead and plop my retainers in there. I'm gonna go ahead and shut it. And then look at this toothbrush, really nasty. It's got all kinds of grime on the inside right there. I'm gonna go ahead and just stick that into the slot so we can get that cleaned as well. Let's go ahead and turn this thing on. We're just gonna do the 5-minute mode, and you can see that purple UV on it right there. When you open it up, it goes off. Here's just a look while it's dark. You can see that nice countdown timer right there, and you can see the UV working within the appliance. Alrighty, let's take a look at the after. So I went ahead and took the brush head out first. Nice and clean. Lots of that yellow that was on there is now gone. And we've got the retainers right here looking pristine. And you can see the water in there is a little bit cloudier, a little more dirty than it was before. So you know all that dirt came off of these objects. Overall, I highly recommend this retainer cleaner from EcoBasic. Thanks for watching.